Let me see. We'll do Twitter. Did I even tweet before my last tweet? It's just literally notifications of me going live. Oh no, I did. Okay, all right. Twitch.tv/Walker. Let's see. This AOC Day 2 Part 2 uiua. I'm slow. Okay, sue me. All right. Twitch or the YouTube. The U and the tubes. Where's my... How do I even do this? Oh, there we go. We'll just share. Share? Oh, what is this? Okay, copy. There you go. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Did it not copy? Okay. Okay, there it is. All right. Why can't I not hear anything? Oh, there we go. That's better. Look at that link. Unbelievable. Can I close that? There we go. All right. All right. Okay. Look, I actually, what happened? Okay, what happened was that I gave up. Okay, I gave up on uiua. I did it in Rust. Okay, but I promise that I will do it. I will do it in uiua. Unbelievable. I'm just a fraud. I'm a uiua fraud. That's what it is. It's not good. It's just not good. All right, let me read part 2. I don't even know what's going on. The elf says they've stopped producing snow because they aren't getting any water. He can show you how to get the water source, blah, blah, blah. As you continue, the elf poses the second question. In each game you played, what is the fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag to make the game possible? In game 1, the game could have been played with as few as 4 red, 2 green, and 6 blue. 2 green, 6 blue. Okay, so the least, and then 4 red, right? Game 2 could have been played with a minimum of 1 red, 1 blue. Wait. Game 2 could have been played with a minimum of 1 red, 3 green. Wait, why 3 green? What is that? What? Fewest number of cubes of each color? Maybe I'm not understanding this. What? Hold on. Wait, am I live? I'm live, right? Okay, yeah. All right. Oh my gosh, Nick's Flakes. Part 2, oh camel. I think I just put day. Did I just put day? I think I did. Day 2. I meant day 2, right? I meant day 2. There we go. There, I put day 2, part 2. Not O camel though. No, it would take me just as long with uiua and O camel. But I gave up on this one. I gave up because I could not, like, I saw the uiua solution and I was like, I just gotta do it in Rust. You know? I just gotta do it in Rust.
You a high F swoker.
What? What? Kawaii Life. Yes, I guess I'm high on no notification. There was a notification. Oh, there's a restream. It's restream. Am I high? I'm high on uiua. I'm high on uiua. All right, so let me see
you
this.
You are high on O camel, my camel.
I'm not high on O camel. I can't do it in O camel. Like, there's no way. I don't know anything about O camel. The only thing I know is that there's no scope. That's all I know. And you have to chain everything with in. That's why it's functional, because you have to make a little function for everything, right? Which I guess it makes sense. And I was doing that anyway with the Rust thing, because I did it with, I was like, am I an idiot, right? Am I a complete idiot? Can I do this with Rust? And I did do it, right? Because this is what I had in my head, right? So basically, like, get the game, right? Okay. Parse the cubes. And, like, this is what I wanted to do in uiua. right? This is what I wanted to do, but I just could not understand how to do it. Camel. Oh wait, you know what? We gotta turn this off. Oh, I already have it. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, it's good. Camel, functional, imperative, and oop. That is true. Camels is multi-paradigm. You know, it's multi-paradigm. All right, let me see this. I honestly don't understand this part 2 though. Fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag. What I don't understand is why 3 could have been played with a minimum of 1 red, but it could have been 1 green too, right? 3 green and 4 blue. The fewest number of cubes. Oh, do you like add up? No. There's 3 green here, right? Oh, because this was a specific game. 3 green, 4 blue. Oh, I see. It's each game, right? So game 4 required 14 red, right? 15 blue and 3 green. Okay. Game 5 needed no fewer than 6 red, 1 blue, and 3 green. Okay. But I get game 5 needed no fewer than 6 red. Wait, so it's like the maximum within a game? I'm so confused. I'm so confused by this wording. In each game, what is the fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag to make the game possible? 2 blue, 1 red, 2 green. Oh, to make the game possible. Oh, so it's like, what is the maximum number for a given within a semicolon, basically, right? Okay, so the power of a set of cubes. This is not gonna go well. Andrew, what's up? I got it. Yeah, I can't read functional code, let alone understand it. So true. So true. All right, let me look at this stupid thing. Hold on. The power of a set of cubes is equal to the numbers of red, green, and blue cubes multiplied together. The power of the minimum set of cubes in game 1, make this big, is 48. In games 2 to 5, it was 12, 15, 66, 30, and 36, respectively. Adding up these 5 powers produces the sum of 2286. The power is equal to the numbers of RGB cubes multiplied together. Okay, so this one was 4 red, 2 green, and 6 blue. So this, you get that from here. It's it's a cross semicolon. Okay, so you get 4 red, 2 green, and 6 blue. So it's the maximum number, 6 blue, because there's 3 blue here, right? Could be oh, I see, because we're just gonna see for each game what is the fewest number of cubes that could have been in the bag to make the game possible. So now that we have the possible games, right, we'll need to, so that's why game 4 was impossible, right? And was it game 3 impossible too, right? Oh, game 3 was game 1, 2, 3, 4. Needed no few. Oh, it doesn't matter if it was possible. Okay, so we don't want to take we want to take the maximum, but less than the number. Like, so it has to be less than or equal to the maximum for that color, but also not the minimum either, right? So it needs to be the one less than the max to make it possible. So like in this case, it's 6 blue because that's the maximum number of blues. And then this one would be 4 red and then 2 green because there's only 2. Okay. Oh my gosh. Can I imagine this in uiua though? Gulkus, what's up? Dramata, hello. All right. Let me know if you want to grab her links. I already, Nightshade, I did my
back.
crap.
I want my mod view layout. I'll give you some pretzel M&Ms. Bang a deal right there.
Wait, what was this? Held message? No. We gotta allow that. What the heck? Give me my sword. How is that? How is that inappropriate? What? That doesn't even make any sense. That doesn't. Okay. All right. So I think I understand what's happening. You basically have to lay out the numbers for each color in a vec, right? In Rust terms, in an array, and then get the one that's the least, the one that's offset from the maximum, right? So you have to filter out the ones that made the game impossible, right? So game 4 was impossible, right? Because it was 15 blue, right? Where was the example? It was 15 blue, right? So you had to just get the least. You had to be less than the max, and the max was what? 12, 13, 14, right? So this one was impossible. So you had to filter out the impossible states, and then you just have to get, yeah, and like 14 too was also impossible because that was 12. So that's done, right? And so this one would be 6 blue, 6 red, and 3 green, right? Wait. Oh, that doesn't even matter. This doesn't even matter anymore. Game 3 must have been played with at least 20 red, 13. Oh, I was wrong. Shoot. Okay, so just get the max, right? 20, 13. And then for the blue, it would be 8, right? Or 6 blue. Really? That's it? I was overthinking that. Let me see. Let me do this again. So the game 4 would be... Okay, so game 4 would be 6 blue. How many? Oh, no, it'd be 15 blue, 14 red, and 3 green. 14 red, 3 green, and 15. Okay. Okay, so you just get the max. That's it, right? Am I crazy? That's actually fairly easy. Okay, I was overthinking that, right? In this exercise, you dot 6. Automod is drunk at work. It's true. Twitch's mind is in the gutter. Apparently. Part 2's wording had me overthinking. Yeah, it's fairly easy. Like, the idea of it, anyway. What's this? Oh, I don't know about that one. Let me see. Okay, well, you know what? This is fine. I think this is fine. We could do this. Just get the max, right? So this would be 6 blue, 4 red, and 2 green, right? 6 blue, 4 red, 2 green. Yeah, just get the max. And then what do? You multiply them together? Okay, so we can do that. Evan, part 1, right? Evan main, part 1. And then we can just comment this because I'm so ghetto. And then we can just do Evan part 2, right? And so we still need to... So these are shared here, right? Input. We'll just do this. Input reference to a string. Oh wait, I'm not doing Rust. I'm doing uiua. I forgot. All right, let me do uiua. I don't even have the number one. Let me do it in Rust. Can I do this in Rust? Have any code? Always make me. I was trying to say you don't consider max, but you figured that out. Yeah. Well, you do consider max though, right? Get good. Oh, is it in Rust? Oh my gosh. How is this gonna... I can't read this. How is this a spoiler? I don't understand what's going on here. Like, this is what I love about Erlang, right? This right here. This is what I love about Erlang. This means that the method or the function part 1 takes 1 argument. But why? Like, why would you do that? Like, it doesn't even make any sense. Who cares, right? Erlang got him. Yeah. All right, let me do it in because I did part 1. Let me do it. We'll look at Andrew's uiua solution after I do the Rust solution. May as well post the answer in Chinese. It's true. I can't read Mandarin either. Or Cantonese, either one. I don't know either. All right, let me do this. Okay, so I basically let me just do it in Rust. I'll just do it in Rust. It's fine. And then we'll look at the uiua thing. What's going on here? Can we not do this with this, please? Thank you. Okay. Main. All right, part 2 also takes an input, right? There we go. Wow, it's nice to be competent at something, actually. It's nice to know what I'm doing for once. We'll do possible too, right? Oh, we don't even need that. That's for this. Okay, so we'll just do this. This is input string, right? Cool. And then we'll do the same thing, right? We'll just bring this in here, right? And so for this one, because I still need parse and stuff, right? But we'll look at the uiua solution in a second, right? So it doesn't even matter. Basically what we're going to do is get the possible games. We're going to filter out the cubes, right? We want to get the max number of cubes that would have made the game possible, right? There we go. So we'll just say if, we'll just say max cubes, right? Max cubes, and then we'll do, oh, for each color though. So this will be a tuple. Why not? It'll be a tuple. No, it'll be one color because I have an enum color, or I have an enum cube. It'll be a cube, right? There we go. And then we'll just do that, right? For now, I guess, right? And then we'll just do that. Generate max cube function. You know, this is actually, now that I'm thinking about this, I'm a Rust fan. You know what? Literally unbreedable, says the uiua man. Yeah, like Erlang is like, yeah, it's not good. I'm not like a huge fan. Elixir looks better, right? I'm doing ASC in C++ and Rust, and my Rust solutions take me like 1/5 the time. Rust is OP for string parsing. Oh yeah, that is true. I have noticed that about Rust, is that they have all the things that you need, right? Okay, so we'll just do this. We don't even need to keep track of the game anymore, do we? Oh, we don't even need the game. We're not even doing the game anymore. That's not even a thing. Yeah, that's not good. All right, let's do this. Cubes. And we'll just do like iter, right? Filter. Wait, how do I filter on max? I might have to look this up, but I basically just want to, get the cube, right? Match cube, where the value, right, is the max. I think it might actually be max. How do I, in an iterator, I think it, oh yeah, it is max. Okay, all right. It is actually max. Okay, so let me just double check this real quick. So this is 20 red because it's the maximum of 20. 13 green and 6 blue, right? 20 red, 13, yeah, okay. All right, so we'll just get the max. We'll get X, Y, and Z, right? This almost doesn't even matter, honestly. But since the cubes are already nice enums, right? Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love it though. Let me see, match, and then we like collect. Wait, are we collecting? Oh, we're getting the max of all of them though. We have to get the max of each. All right, let's just do this. Let red, cubes, iter, filter, C. Oh my gosh. Man, C equals, cube R. Wait, can I even do that? I can't even do that. Match C. Then we'll just do this. Because we need to get the max of each, not the max of one, right? I wonder if I could do like some partition. Ooh, can I do now I'm thinking in uiua. Predicate partition returns a pair, all of the elements for which it returned true. Let's just do it the dumb way. Match C cube, and then we'll just do this. Otherwise 0. Right, filter, and then we could just do max, right? There we go. And then we'll just do X, right? Good. What did I do? Red, option cube. What in the world? Unwrap. What is max? Note that basic usage. Max, sum. What is mismatched types? Because I'm filtering out the red, right? And we'll do sum, right? And then we'll do sum. Wait. Oh, and then we'll just map, I guess. And we'll just map x dot unwrap. To test if option has a value. Didn't I do filter, right? Filter x. Oh, because I'm doing it on the match, right? So I can either put some here and some here, right? Or we'll just do none, right? There we go. Filter map, maybe. Why is this like this? There we go. And then we'll just get rid of this thing. All right. So that's red. And then we have to do the same thing. So let's just do like, let's make another function, right? Can I turn this into a function? Extract into function? We'll just do max cube, right? And then here we'll give it. Oh, you know what? You know what I can do? I know what I can do. Actually, this is fine. Yeah, you know what I have to do is just instead of because I did my emails. I did it the dumbest way. Like, it would be nice. Okay, this is what I can do. I know what I can do. We'll just do max cube, right? And then this actually returns a U8, right? What? Found U8. Oh my gosh. I have to clone a U8. Unbelievable. Okay, let me see. Rust? I know. Look, yeah, it's Helix. Yeah. Erlang's trash for string parsing. Standard view range stuff is just impossible to use in C++. Look, I'm not a C++ person. Dramata. I know. I'm sorry. Okay? Like, I'm sorry. My code is not good. My process is not good. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter ahead of time, right? So we'll just do let red equals max cube, and then we won't have to do this. We'll just do this. This actually is just going to take an iterator, right? It's going to take an iter, right? Can I do this? Iterator, right? Is that a thing? I never use this. Item? Oh, this sounds horrible. We're going to collect. Who even cares? We'll just do cubes, filter map, iter, filter map, x, match x. All right, cube, x, sum x, otherwise it's none. Yeah, there we go. Look, I have to make up for the fact that I didn't do this right, all right? Filter map, and then we'll collect, right? There we go. And then we'll do red, right? Okay, cool. And then this is the thing, right? We're not going to filter map. We're actually just going to get the max, right? That's it. Oh, whoops. I need that. And then in max cube, it's literally just max. So now what's the point of this function? What's the point of this function? Dang it. I didn't want to do it 3 times. All right. Let's just do it 3 times. Who even cares at this point? There's only 3 of them, right? We'll just do dot max, right? Unwrap. And then we'll get rid of max cube. Yeah, also
Don't
it looks
repeat
horrible.
yourself.
Oh, I'm repeating myself. We are definitely repeating ourselves. Okay, let's just do this. And we'll just copy this stupid thing. All right, there we go. Green is here. And then this is just G, right? Let red, blue. And then it's the same thing, right? What is it, like 7? Oh, geez. Let's see, 7 up, 7x, right? There we go. Unwrap,
Peter.
right?
What's happening?
Okay, 7. There we go. Look, I'm sorry. Okay, that it's not uiua yet. You know, implement into iterator to be more flexible. Oh, Oh my gosh, no way. I don't know. Analyzer popping off. I know. It's I have to clone uiua. That's what I said. Came for the uiua, but stayed for the rust. I know. I debated you. I'm sorry. So then we'll just do R, red, green, blue, tuple, right? Like I said before, right? There we go. And this is just gonna be, well, I guess we could be a little nicer, right? Since I have this, we could do it max cube, right? Oh no, I can't. It has to actually be all three because I didn't do my enum correctly, right? All right, so U8, U8, U8. There we go. All right. So this is not that. This is just this. All right, cool. Sweet. What is considered dereferencing? Oh man, this is crazy. Can I just do this and copy? Right? Can we just copy this? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Cloning felt wrong, you know? Like all this just feels wrong, but it's whatever. All right, so let me see. So now I have the max number of cubes that would have made the game possible. And so now let's just debug this real quick. Just a quick sanity check, you know? Hello. Cargo run. All right, so let me say this is not looking good. This is not looking right. Oh wait, this is the wrong. Oh, this is the actual input. Whoops. Let's look at example. There we go. All right, so let's see. 20. Oh, that's totally wrong. What did I? Oh, because I copied this. Unbelievable. Blue. There we go. All right, so 2013 6. Yeah, it's looking good, right? 20 red, 13 green, 6 blue. All right. You know, it's looking all right. So let's do power is multiplied together. So now that we have this, we can just do let power equals cube 0 2. Oh my gosh. All right, power. The power of the minimum set of cubes in game 1 is 48. Okay. So we could debug power, I guess, right? Power. Oh no. Oh no, it can't be a U8. Uh-oh, we've got to do some casting. Actually, you know what? Let's just increase the base, right? Let's just go back down to cube and we'll just do U16, right? Not that we'll just crank it. You know what? U64. We don't want any overflows in here. You know what I mean? We don't want any overflows. Hello. Uh-oh, I broke everything. What did I do? What is wrong with this? Oh, yeah, because I have return value, right? U64, 64. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, that's for the old one, right? Oh, parse cube. Oh, because I'm parsing it into a U8 still. Wow, I switched to type, I broke everything. What else is here? What is this? Oh. 8. 64. There we go. All right. Okay, 48, 12, 15, 66, 30, 36. All right, cool. It's looking good, right? 12, what did I do? What did I say? 15, 16? Yeah. Okay. Adding up these 5 powers produces the sum of 2286. Main? Part 2? What do I have to sum them? Okay. Let result equals 0, right? And then we'll just do a mute. The best Rust code you've ever seen, okay? Also U64. So we'll do result plus equals power, right? And then we'll do result. Actually, you know what? This doesn't return. What am I talking about? What kind of nonsense is this? Print ln, but I'm actually very curious about the uiua solution now. 2286, right? Is that what it was? Did I get it? Okay. For each game, find the minimum set of cubes that must have been present. What is the sum of the power of these sets? The moment of truth. You know? Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just check what you guys have to say about this. Sobs and clean architecture. I like the inline errors. I just installed the nvim plugin for that today. Yeah. But the thing about it, there's no plugin. ZHOD 2012. Okay. Welcome, by the way. This is like going to take out the trash, but ended up in the car with 2 trash bags. Well, there is a better way. Just deref, yeah. Cloning a U8 is very cheap, so no biggie. Yeah, but now it's a U64, right? Oh, see? Look at this. 128, we have space for that? Yeah, we do. It's true. We got a 128. Should we do U128 instead? I've seen the panics more times than I have in my entire life. Yeah. Rexace, put this solution in there. I'm sure it's way better than mine. I don't even have a solution. It probably doesn't even work. Yeah, Helix has that feature without plugins. Yes, that is correct. All right. So let me see this. Okay, let me see this. So yeah, we just gotta try it, right? Let's try it and see if it works. This is also probably the worst Rust code. Should I do 128 instead? U64? U128, right? Should I do that? Let's try it. See if it still works. Oh, wow. That's the other one. Hold on. Example? Dude, yeah, again, we're good. We're good. All right, let's try it. That's not that big, actually. We could have gotten away with a U16? No, right? 2 to 16? What is that? Yeah, we could have... Oh, no. A little overflow on the U16, you know? That wouldn't have been good. All right, let's try it. We can say it for now. Plugin system incoming. Yeah, for now. That's true. There is a plugin system coming, right? Yeah, you should try Helix. It's good. Try Doom Emacs but back to NVIM already. Emacs, get that whack stuff out of here, okay? We're not Emacs people in here. Let me, soon. Yeah, it's not that big, actually. Kawaii Life is just like reveling, okay, in the weird stuff that I say. Let's try it. Does it work? That's it. That's good. It's good. Like it works. Cool. All right, sweet. Okay, so that was good, right? Sweet. So now I go back to the calendar. Man, these elves, I'm not gonna make it to Christmas. You know what I mean? It's not gonna happen. I'm only on day 3. Let's look at Rexace's thing, and then we'll look at the uiua, and I'll try uiua for part or for day 3. Okay. Oh, look at this const instead of an enum. Rexace, is this good? Is this good though? Like, oh, for the max, yeah. Wow, this is so good. Like, this is the cleanest code. Oh my gosh, and you did a config. What in the world? And there's a, oh my gosh, the game has a struct. And you're parsing the game. Wow. Wow, min config required. Oh my goodness, this is the cleanest. If there was a part 10, this code would make it. Okay, this code would be incredible for a part 10. It would be prepared. Okay, this code comes prepared. This code comes correct. All right, let me see this. Min config. Oh my gosh, look at all this. This is incredible. Oh, from stir. I didn't even do that. I just did a function like a dummy. Wow. Impl the from stir trait. Look, this is the most rusty solution I think I've seen. Let's see. So what do we have here? Part split collect. Oh, you collected on the split. Interesting. Oh, you didn't do an iterator. But there's an iterator here. Oh, because you wanted the ID. Right. Oh, and you split on white space. You know, my white space. I don't want to talk about what I did with white space. Split, semicolon. Okay. Config split. Okay. Wow. From the config, though. Right? Wow. Incredible. Stir parse, blah, 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 split next. Yeah, I did that same thing for the tuples. Yeah. 4 count color in pairs. Oh, nice. Kept them in the tuples. Yeah. Red, green, blue. Yep. Okay, cool. So then you have the game struct. Oh, solve for. What in the world? I didn't even notice that. What's the solve for trait? We got to look at this solve for trait right now. Hold on, we got to look at this. Source, Where is it from? Day? Is there a mod? Ooh, there is a mod. Oh my gosh, this is so rusty. Let me see. Pub trait solve for. Oh my gosh, it has a constraint. Oh my gosh, there's another trait. Dude, this is sick. This is like the best Rust. This is incredible. And there's always part 1 and part 2. Dude, and there's the solve sample and the solve. Dude, the trait has an implementation, so you don't have to do anything. Dang, Rexace. Oh man, this is incredible. Dude, this is so good. This guy rusts. This guy rusts hard, okay? I heard you like traits. Oh yeah, this is some next level peak rust moment. Totally. Seriously, this is incredible. I would never have thought to put the sample and the solve in, because I just repeat myself over and over again. But this is, dang, this is sick. This is like a harness for advent of code. These elves don't know what's coming. Okay, Rexace is here to solve all the problems. It's really good. Can my uiua do this? I mean, Andrew's uiua, possibly. My uiua, definitely not. All right, let's look at the part 2 for uiua though. I gotta go to Andrew's thing. We gotta go to Andrew's. Here we go. We got it. Day 2, part 2. All right, let's see. Let's put it into the uiua, the pad, right? We'll put it into the uiua pad. Okay, so we've got input is this, which I didn't know you could do this. That's interesting. Okay, and then what's this? Empty each join 0. No way. No way. What is this? What is this? Can we look at this? Unnode. Oh, okay. Let's actually keep empty, and then we'll just copy this, because I want to see what this is. What is this value? Oh my gosh, it's an array that has zeros with blue, green, and red. Uh-oh. What's happening? Reference adds zeros if color is not present in input. Dang, look at this. It takes the empty and it modifies the empty. Oh no, it doesn't modify. It assigns it to normal. It uses the empty to start. This is looking good. This is good uiua. Duplicate, okay. And then so you take the first and reverse. Dang, this is crazy. Hold on, I have to rise, select rows. Classify. We have to understand this, okay? We can't just sit here. Let's see what this is. Normalize colors. Okay, so let's see what it does though, right? The stack was empty when evaluating. Oh, was it? Oh, wait, because of input, right? Did these all work together? I don't even know what is happening. So you join the arrays, right? You join the arrays. Oh, can I not do this? Oh, because I'm joining 2 arrays, but it should be it should be the line, right? It should be this, right? Yeah, that's the problem, right? So it should be this, and then the duplicate join empty, right? Can I do that? Oh, we have to put this on the stack. Okay, let's try. Does it work? Cannot join arrays of shapes. Oh, interesting. It doesn't like that. How did you do this? Oh, because you did a parse line first. And then you forked index? Did it box something? Part 1, part 2, reduce sum, multiply, parse line. Okay, so I guess I should look at... I honestly don't know. I still want to know what normalized colors does, but maybe we'll look at parse line instead, right? What if I just run this? What happens? Oh my gosh. It does work though. Oh, look, there's this style. Split this line into multiple lines. Interesting. We was Mod Rex says, I can be trusted with power. Look at this smiley face. The hieroglyphs freak me out. No, they shouldn't freak you out. And it's scaring me. It adds empty to the end of the array and duplicates it. Right. No, I know, but like, can you read code? Yeah, tell me what this pulls out uiua. That's true. Could you imagine? Oh my gosh, could you imagine? Okay, let's go back here. We need to step this. We need to do step by step here. Let's try with parse line. Well, let's try normalize color. Add zeros to color. Let's open up a new pad, right? Let's do new, and then we'll just say empty. But it's it flips the top of the thing, right? So it swaps. What is the value of the stack at this point though? Normalize colors. Oh, because you did a partition. Normalize colors and then another partition. So I guess I'm kind of confused. Like, why can't I join? What is the top? Is it two empties? Is that what it is? No, it needs. Oh, it's this value here, right? It's the parsed value. Okay, so we can't start from that. We have to start from here. We have to start from here. Partition and all this stuff. So this, what does this do for us here? Let's just try inside of this paren. Let's how can I debug? How can I look at this? Oh, I can just add little question marks, right? Here, we'll add question marks. So let's do question mark here, right? And then we could see. Oh, okay. So at this point you have the zeros, and then after you select, oh, I see. So you reverse it, and then you take the first one, and then you select. So let's see, what does it look like here? Oh, let me get rid of this other. Okay, so let's start with this. Let's start with we parse line. So let's start with this drop 5, right? And this index of here. Okay, let me see. Okay, here we go. Now we can read. Okay, so 1. Okay, so you're here, right? Okay, and then from here you add 1, but you drop. What? Oh, this is the fork, right? We gotta look at the fork. What happens after this?
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Let's see. Okay, so now you have. Oh, I see. Okay, so you've separated out the game ID from the rest of it. Okay, all right. And then here you're splitting on. You're splitting here and you're splitting on. Okay, yeah. And then you also. Oh, you're dropping that you're trimming essentially. That's what you're doing, right? Yeah. 3 blue, 4 red. Okay. And then from here, you are, where are we? Then you're dropping, you're adding 1 and you're dropping another 1, right? Artuni, welcome. Question marks. Can you use part 2 with parsing from nice one and it should be good? No, I mean, this is incredible. And you know, the thing about this is that it doesn't have the regular expressions, you know? So let me see. So here we have, okay. So now at this point, we've got a box that represents blue and okay. Wow, this is a journey. This is a uiua journey that we took. And then so from here, normalize colors does what? Oh, 304. Okay, so you've got RGB, right? Okay. Oh, I see. So you're doing select on the, you're ordering the indices and then, okay, getting the first rows. Classifying. Why are you classifying? Deduplicate. Assign a unique index to each unique. Okay. Yeah, I got it. So if we look at this here, right? Yeah, so this, because you want this, right? This 1, 2, 2. Is that what I'm? Oh, maybe I don't understand. Oh, because you want that's after the classify though, right? What if we just do it here? Right. Right. You want a unique value for each of these, right? Okay, I think I understand this. I'm not actually sure. But yeah, this is so then after this, after you partition all of this, then you get 304 6 okay. Okay, so these are the game values, I think, right? And then from here you do, what is this, a dip? Yeah. So then you do 304 61 game 1, right, because you have to duplicate. Okay, so this is game 2. Oh, you got all the values separately. Dang, this is intense. And now what do, right? So with this, after this parse line, then you get the max and you multiply. Okay, so that's part 2. But otherwise you get the ones that are less than 0 and okay. So this is where you compare, right? Dang, this is sick. This is really good though. I didn't know you could print a value. I didn't know you could even do this. Oh man. All right. Did I just see an Erlang? Yeah. Oh, that was Nightshades. Yeah. That was in here earlier. Let me see. Kind of readable. Yeah, no, it is. It is good. All right, so this is like peak uiua, right? So compare the uiua solution, which is, it looks like all in, even with the examples, it's 23 lines. And then compare it to my horrible Rust solution, 110 lines. It's not good. All right, let's try day 3. Let's see if I can understand this, right? You can count tokens. Oh, that's true. I could count tokens. That is true. Yeah, lines. It's so dense. Like, press cog on top of editor. Oh, you can? Oh, you can. Settings. What is it? AST? Oh, tokens. 153, right? You don't want to know how many tokens are in the Rust solution, you know? Day 3 was fun. Let me see if I can just understand it, right? And then maybe I can think of a uiua thing, but it's probably not going to happen. You and the elf eventually reach a gondola. He says the gondola will take you up to the water source, but this is as far as he can bring you. Go inside. It doesn't take long to find the gondolas, but there seems to be a problem. They're not moving. Blah, 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 blah. You turn around to see a slightly greasy elf with a wrench and a look of surprise. I don't expect anyone. Gondola lift isn't working. This will be a while before I can fix it. I offer to help. Okay, if you can add all the part numbers in the engine schematic, it should be easy to work out which part is missing. The schematic. Oh no, it's one of these 2D ones. Consists of a visual represent. Oh, come on. This is just like last year. Visual. This is where I fall apart. There are lots of numbers and symbols you don't really understand, but apparently any number adjacent to a symbol, even diagonal, is a part number and should be included in your sum. Periods do not count as a symbol. Here is an example engine schematic. In this schematic, 2 numbers are not part numbers. This is probably where uiua would be great, because I feel like you could do some kind of like dance around a 2D array and just like pick out like the first or like reverse first or whatever and like rotate it. That would be like a uiua overpowered situation. Use 2D window. Yeah, problem is 2D window is really slow. I'm ashed at the fact that I couldn't figure out day 3 on my own. Had to look at how someone else did it. Yeah, after that I adapted it, but I will do it again. Yeah, look, I don't even know. RIP. Yeah, seriously. My day 3 solutions have repetitions, but I have no idea how I can. Yeah, I don't know. Who cares if there's repetitions, you know? 2D window. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, right? In this schematic, 2 numbers are not part numbers because they are not adjacent to a symbol. 114 is not adjacent, right? Oh, I see. So this means it's not adjacent, but 467 is adjacent because this is index 0, line 1, and this is, but it's the length of it is 3, and this is index 4, so that's what, line 2, so that's why they are adjacent, right? And this is the same. This falls within the index plus length of this. Dude, I can't even... This is horrible. And the other one that's not adjacent is, they said 58, right? Yeah, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this. Plus 58. Right, so this one's not adjacent to anything, right? Because it's surrounded by... Because it's surrounded by periods. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do this. There's no way. I don't... But I can give it a shot, I guess. Yeah, I guess, like... Let's see. I don't actually know the right way to think about this. I mean, like, index plus length before a period, right? And then if there is a symbol, or if there's not a... Basically, if it's not a... Or, okay, I guess my question is, like, are these numbers adjacent? Like, are there any numbers adjacent to each other? Every other number is adjacent to a symbol, and so is a part number. Their sum is 4, 3, 6, 1. Of course, the actual engine schematic is much larger. Yeah, let's look at it. Oh my gosh. My day 3 part 2 runs for 2 minutes. Oh my gosh. Is that locally? Your solution is 111 tokens. Oh my gosh, 111 tokens. Unbelievable. Yeah, this part 1 runs in an instant. Okay. Oh, part 2 is even harder. Cool. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta think about this. I wonder if ChatGPT could just tell me, right? If I just gave it the rules, I wonder if it could probably suss it out, you know? Let me see, 467. Okay, I gotta think about this. Hold on. How would I model this? I mean, the way I'm thinking about it is probably fine. It's index plus length. And if either of the surrounding lines... Oh, but that's not right either, right? Like, this kind of gives it away a little bit. This being surrounded by... Basically, you can just check for the negation of this, I think, right? So you have to get the length. You have to find a number, right? The first thing is you find an alphanumeric character, right? And then you keep looking for alphanumeric characters. And then when that's done, you now have the length, right? Or if you find one, you just look for either a symbol or a period to stop, right? And then now you have -1, you have the length, right? And then, actually, you know what? Or the end of a line, right? Yeah, the end of a line, right? Shoot. Okay. So how would I do this? I would probably... I'm really thinking hard about this one. I would probably I don't know. I'm going back to my workout tracker, all right? I'm just gonna work out. I have a solution I want to try, but I don't think it'd be very efficient. Daily attempts to use JIP4 only to solve admin of code. Oh, really? There's a YouTube channel for everything, you know? There's a YouTube channel for everything. Let me, so I think this is probably what I'm looking for, right? I can keep track of everything. So I can basically keep track of which, like, in a uiua solution, this is a 2-dimensional array. And you're basically just looking for not periods and not symbols. But you're also trying to find out where the numbers are, right? Yeah, that's why. So yeah, I guess what I could do is like keep track. So in this one, it'd be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So line 4 would be here. And then my full input out of memories after 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Angry Vatic. Yeah, 3 stream streak. You have a life. You have a life. Look, we're living our lives together, okay? Look, hey, I only stream for like an hour or two at a time, so, you know, you're doing all right. Okay, let me see. Shoot. Okay, so how would I model this? How would I model this with less memory, I guess, right? So I only really need 3 lines at a time, right? So I only need this, like I need these 3 lines to determine if the middle line has numbers that I should include, right? I actually, yeah, I only need 3 lines at a time. If it's the first line, I only need 2, right? But let's just say 3, because I need the top, right? And if the top is none, I'm thinking in Rust. I'm thinking about it in Rust, but not uiua. I gotta think about it in uiua. But yeah, this would be good for Rust. I can't even imagine this in uiua. I guess one thing I could do with uiua is start parsing, but I don't think I'm gonna get to it though. I think my recursion is just blowing memory. Nightshade, I'm sure your recursion's blowing memory. Terminal Rust vein. Yeah, Nightshade, you should just write it in Rust, and then you don't have to worry about it, okay? Many such cases. Yeah, like I just can't get out of my head, you know? All right, so let me see. I only need 3 lines at a time. So I need like a sliding window, basically, of 3 lines. And then from there, I could start with the symbols, right? So I could say this symbol's at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? On line 1 of my window, right? And then this one's at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's at 3 and 4. And so the fact that my line 2 and my line 1 are matched up in any way, right? So like even if this star was here, I need to be more specific. Okay. Yeah, so these 3 lines, and then so I'll have to keep this in memory basically. It's like which lines have symbols at which index, and then which ones have numbers at which starting and ending indexes. And then if the line above it, if the symbol index, which is always 1, falls in this, or if it falls within the index, the starting index -1 or the ending index +1, that's how I could see if it's adjacent, right? For each of these lines. Yeah, I think that's how I would do it in Rust. I don't know how I would do it in uiua. I mean, even in I feel like it's in a good place for uiua, but I could probably do I would probably do indexes. Oh, I know what I could do. I could turn all the symbols into member. I could do a member on all the... Let's see if that'll work. Let's see. Let's open up another pad. Okay, let me see. Pad? Oh, what did I just do? I went to the Discord. Oh, no. Pad? All right. So I could just do this, right? This is, I think we can, I can't get away with line by line this time. It's kind of sad. So let's see what's on the stack here. Right, a bunch of new lines. Okay. So I think what needs to happen is that I need a par box does not equal add new line, right? Hello, duplicate. Okay, so now we've got them into each array, right? So this is a 2-dimensional array already. Pretty nice. uiua's pretty good. So now that I have that, right, I need to, actually, do I even need to box this? Oh, I do. I do. Okay. I do need to box that. So now I need to do what I was saying, right? Which is if I could do a member, check if each, what does it say? Check if each row of, no, not member. I need to actually do index of, right? Can I do that? Hello. Find the first index of each row of one array in another. No. We need to do, what is the thing? What is it? Not member. Find, maybe? Maybe it's apply a function to each combination of elements of two arrays. Yeah, maybe what I need to do. Shoot, I don't even know. I'll give myself 10 minutes. Or 20 minutes. I would have been done in Rust. I want to push myself. Is it me, or are these problems way more difficult for such an early problem? Also, the explanations are more confusing. Yeah. Select all text and press Control 4. Oh, shoot. I don't need to box? No, I do. Because I need a partition, right? Must be a list of integers, right? I do need to box to split them, right? But now I don't need to box, I don't think. But yeah. Let's actually, I wonder if I can even get let's see if I can even get the symbols out, right? What if I just do keep? I honestly wonder if I could do that. Let's look at member actually real quick. What is member again? I might need to have how many symbols are there? What are the symbols that could possibly be, right? Is that anything on the, I guess I could say anything that's not a period, right? We could do that, right? Index of, can I like invert, or I could just do does not equal, right? Can I do that? Member check of each row? Yeah. Maybe I want member. Let's try that. Can I actually see member? There we go. Member 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's do this. Check if each row of an array exists in another. So let's do, but we could do member on a multi-dimensional array, right? Member, and then we could just do period, right? Or we could just have that, this is an array, right? Not really what I wanted to do. We could say index of, right? Can I do that? Maybe I have to do rows, right? Or we could do table. That's what you're saying, right? Table. Unbelievable. Table, why? Apply a function to each combination of elements of two arrays. That's right? How? Table? What if I do rows? Member? Find? What in the world? What if I duplicate? How is this? Why is it returning? Oh, do I need, this is not a two-dimensional array like I thought it was? What if I reshape this as 2? Well, that's not good, right? What if I re-rank as 1, 2? Oh, I see. What if I take the first? Oh, oh, wow, look at that. What if I take the first of this? Oh, okay, so it is a two-dimensional array, right? So the first value in this array, what if I rev first, right? It should take the last. Yeah. Why is table not doing what I thought it was going to do? Let me look at table. How much time do I have? I have like 5 minutes. Then we'll look at a uiua solution because I don't know what I'm doing. This is an element-wise version of cross. This is probably what you want instead of each. Okay. Table plus. Okay. What is this? Table join. Append two arrays end to end. They're already appended. What if I did plus? What if I did plus at 0? Right? Shouldn't it add a 0? Cannot add a character in a character? Can I do this as a two-dimensional? No. What in the world? What? This is not. What if I do add? Oh my gosh. What if I just did windows of an array? What is Windows? 1? Oh, interesting. What is 2? Yeah, I'm so confused. Would the Matrix work? I don't know. Would it? Does uiua have classes? How am I going to program without classes? uiua does not have classes. Put ID func in there. Wait. Flip it. Remember. Oh, member. I have to. Oh, because I added to the stack. Yeah, you're right. Member flip this. Oh no, I have to flip it first, right? So if I flip this and then do this, right? Then that's what I want, right? Dot. But if I flip it, right? Then I get... Oh, if I flip this. Let's see. Let me just do this. I don't have to duplicate. Oh, now that's... Wait, let's try that. Member? No. Let's try table member. No. What in the world? What if I flip this and then do that? The stack was empty when evaluating argued. Oh my gosh. What a member... Which order of the stack am I in here? What's happening? What if I just assign this to a variable, right? And then I can just do member this, n. Okay, so that's totally wrong. What if I do n? It's so good. So if I look at the stack here, oh, I still have this
Peter.
value.
What's
I
happening?
need to pop it. Okay, so now I do member n. Okay, but n, right? Oh, I don't need... Oh, I need to do this twice? No way, right? What in the world? Do I need to duplicate it? Oh, yeah, that's totally wrong. Okay, what does Andrew say? I don't know if the Matrix would work. What is the Matrix? Why did I say what is the Matrix? Where is Matrix? Is that a thing? Is that a thing in uiua? I am still learning uiua. I am learning uiua horribly. This is not going well. Matrix. Matrix is not, that's not working.
Hello, Peter.
Yes, dank
What's
crud. Welcome. Depresso. It is depresso. It has like 4 types in the whole lang. It does. Use ID instead of box. Oh, part ID. Oh, because I'm in box mode. Oh, you don't need that. That's why the member couldn't... Oh, now I have lines of... Oh, so now I can do member. This? Okay, but I have to... I see what you're saying. I have to flip, right? I have to flip and then dot? Or no, I have to do this and then flip, right? Now I'm doing like a row-wise thing, right? So now I'm saying where are all the dots, right? But I wonder if I could do like does not equal, right? Can I do that? No, I can't do that. I wonder if what do I do? Inverse? Can I do an inverse of this? Right? Is that possible? Dot, what's inverse? Oh, wait, what just happened? Oh, no inverse found. Let me do the inverse of this, right? Will it understand that? No. Okay. I have to say, how do I get the members that are not members, right? Let's look at member again. Check if, wow, that's all it does. With the help of keep, you can use member to get a set intersection. Yeah, but I want the set not intersection, right? Where it's not. So member is not what I want, right? I actually want to find. I think I want to find, right? I think I want to find. I don't actually know. Look, I just want to get to the solution. Yeah, it's because they were boxed. Yeah. I'm just along for the ride, brain empty. I don't even know what's going on. I'm just watching. We live in the Matrix. Yed Hamina. What am I looking at? uiua. Now we cooking. You can use not. Is Rust Edition 2024? Could you imagine? Rexace. Could you imagine? All right, let me see. Let's see. So this, yeah, let me do member not, right? Is that what you're saying? Not? Oh, shoot. No. Cannot not character. So can I just do not on this? What is it? Not a function? No, not is a, where is not? Logical not? I don't think I could do that. I can't do that, right? Oh, shoot. That does work. Dang, that's sick. Okay, so let me see. So now I have all this, right? So now I have all the ones that aren't dots. This is actually really cool. Okay, I'm still really excited by this. Let me drink some tea though, real quick. Let me see. Dang, this is sick. Okay, so now we can almost see the solution, right? Like these are adjacent, right? And this is not adjacent to anything because it's surrounded by zeros, right? So now we can do, what if I did index of, right? Index of? Whoops, hello. I have to dupe, I think, index of? Oh, whoops, that's not how index of works. Index of, the first index of each row of one array. Okay, so let's, can I just do index of 1? Index of 1? Oh, that's not really what I'm thinking. Too much Rust, you know? How would I, oh, I have to do where, right? Where? Oh no, what just happened? What in the world happened to my array? Table where? Dot? No. Table, the stack was empty. Where dot, right? Shoot. Table's function must take 2 arguments, but the signature is 1, 1. Maybe apply a function to each combination? What if I just did rows, right? Rows where? Can I do that? Can I duplicate this? No. Cannot append arrays of shapes 1 and 6. Man, I thought for sure I could do a where on this, right? But then the where just like totally screws this up. Dang it. Freaking A. Okay, let me think about this. I have ones and I have a bunch of zeros, but I need the indexes, right? I need the indexes where all the ones in this row and in this row are touching, basically, right? So I need 2 rows at a time.
Indices.
I need 3 rows at a time. I need the indices. All right, I need the indices. We want new ed just dropped. Yeah, it's true. We are pretty much look like when you get by writing async traits. Oh, that's true, Rexace. That is true. Is what I feel like when I'm doing Linux tangents to friends who clearly degaff. Yeah. Where gives you indices? I know, but like it gave me. Where gave me. There's no way, right? Why? Oh, it gave me a 2 to. I gotta do a transpose, right? So what am I looking at here? Zeros. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it just gave, but where didn't give me what I wanted though, right? Because I thought where. Okay, let me see. Where am I here? Can I search? Where am I? There we go. Where? I might have to go to Weewisms. The most basic use is to convert a mask into a list of indices. So where gives you, yeah. That's why I'm weirded out, because like, but before I do the where, I need to. That's why this is weirding me out, because like I have this and I expected it to look like this, but just with like 1, 2, 3 or something, right? But maybe that doesn't make any sense. 0, 1, 2, 2, 2. What in the world? Wait, 2, 5, 6, 7. What am I looking at? 6, 7. But anyway, I can't even wear anyway because I need to figure out some way in uiua to get the ones. I need to partition this into groups of 3s, right? In like a sliding window of 3s, right? And I need to see if they are connected, right? In some way, right? I need to get these two. I need to get this. Oh my gosh, why did I zoom in on that? I need to get this one. Shoot. All right. Guess what? Use window function. Where's where? Where is here? Row box where is probably what you want. Transpose. Is it rows and columns when you where? It's a I tried to do what you're thinking and I ended up making a total mess. Oh, okay. I know, it's like uiua can solve this problem somehow, right? Okay. This dang man. Okay, so where row box where is what I probably want. Okay, I'll give myself 5 more minutes and this is not gonna happen. So I just want to look at a solution. Because that's how I learn. I look at solutions and I learn just like Gypped. You know? I gotta look at all the answers. Once I have all the answers, then I'll know. Let me see. Row box where? Oh yeah, but see this is still weird, right? Oh, 0, 1, 2. Oh my goodness, that is what I wanted. Do I need to box it though? Or can I do it? Oh, look at that. I do have to box it because these are different values. That is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So, oh, okay. So 0, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. That is what I want actually. And then so now we know that since 2 and 3 are on these 2 rows, that means that this is included, but 4 is not here, right? So 4 and 8 are not here, right? Yeah, this is actually pretty. I got so far. I got way further. Andrew, thank you. I knew it was something like some kind of. What if you do table? Oh, okay. Yeah. So table requires. So rows is what I want, but what if I did like cross, right? Cross this function must take 2 arguments. Whatever, man. Whatever. But anyway, so now we can see that 3 is here. So we're looking for -1 or 3 here, and we're looking for 4 and 8 in this next row, right? But now I don't have my partitions, right? So because I need this I need to duplicate and like partition things into group. I need to look at 3 at a time. So I need to look at this one, and this one, right? So 6 is within 6, 7, 8, right? And 3 is within 2, 3. So that's why these ones are all included, right? Wait. Oh, yeah. That's right. Because we're looking at 3 at a time. This is pretty, this is pretty cool. Like, I will say, this actually does solve this problem really well. I just don't know how to do it. All right, look, it's time. Okay, it's time to see the solution. All right, it's time to see the uiua greatness. Really? Am I doing the wrong thing? 5 more minutes, Copium? I know. Roblox where? Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Andrew. Appreciate it. If you finish this quicker than me, I'm never programming again. I'm not going to finish this, Nightshade. I'm not going to finish this in uiua, okay? There's no way. Maybe I could do it in Rust, right? I'm the one who messed up? Oh, okay. Yeah, like, there's no way. I need to partition this. And I don't actually know how to do... Like, I can partition ID, right? Par ID. Is it I? Identity? What is it called? Is it not identity? Oh, it is. Okay, that's weird. It didn't highlight. Partition must be a list of integers. Yeah. So partition needs... But, so that's what I'm thinking. Like, I need to like, duplicate this, right? So for each group of 3, I need to partition them in 3. Can I do that? Par box 3? No, I can't do that. Is that not what partition does? Anyway, that was my thought. But we'll look at Andrew's code because I'm not gonna solve this in uiua. And honestly, the uiua solution is so far from the Rust solution that it doesn't matter. I'll still try to see if I can do it in Rust, but I'm not even sure honestly at this point. All right, let's see. Andrew's already on day 5. Oh my goodness, Andrew. All right, let's see. Let's look at the REPL, right? Let's go in here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, let's see. Input, split. I did do that. I did do this. Wait, what's field? Field is split input. Okay, so this is a row, right? Oh, wow, look at this. You did a mask on the symbol. Interesting. I wonder if you have to do that. Or can you just do what I did, where I did not dot. Okay. Is digit for a minimum fork. Oh, between 0 and 9. Oh, interesting. You actually did a is digit too. That's crazy. Let me see. What's happening? Easy in Rust. Try window 3. Oh, that's what it was. Naming is still hard even in uiua. Yeah, I wanted to window 3. Oh, that's what window is. Oh, that's it right there. This is it, right? So now I have this. I have these 2, and then I have these 3 right here, right? Because they're duplicated. That's exactly what I wanted, right? Wait, the NY's windows? Yeah, right? 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 3. And then I have 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 6, right? Wait. Is that right? 2, 3. It's kind of what I was thinking, but not really, right? Because I need to do, maybe it is window 3. What is window 2? What does window 2 look like? 0 and 3, 3 in this. Oh, this is probably, no, window 3 is probably right? 3, 2, 3, 7, and then so then I can take the pair. I can take the, oh, this is it. Yeah, this is it. This one's just, oh, this is right, actually. This is the first 3 of this row. But for this first row, I need to drop this one, right? And then here is how I would, dang, this is sick though. This is exactly what I was thinking. Andrew got it though. He understood. He understands me, you know? 3 and 6, 2, 3, 6. Yeah, this is it. And then here you can look at, wait, 6. Yeah, this is right. No, this is right. And then here you just have to check if this is in here, if 3 is in here, and then if 6 is in, oh, but I don't have, you know what though?
57 bottles of beer on the wall, 57 bottles of beer, take one down, pass it around, 56 bottles of beer on the wall.
But after I did this though, that's the thing. After I do this, the Ed of Allen, what's up? But after I do this though, right? This thing, yeah, hey. Yeah, so now that so then I just need to filter the ones where this value and this value is within this value, right? Or if 3 or 6 is within, then I keep this, right? And this one's weird because it's not quite what I was thinking, right? Because now it's like this weird duplicate thing. It's not, maybe it's not right actually. It's close though. It's close to what I was thinking, but yeah, clearly wrong. May I ask, what is the advent of code? I've seen so many people talking about it these days. Mr. Super, first time chatter. Advent of code is this right here. You go here, you sign in with your social handle.
Hello,
right?
Peter. What's
You go here.
happening?
Haven't done the one today. Gonna jump to avoid spoilers. Have a great one. Oh, I'm not doing the Ed of Allen. I'm not doing that one. I'm only doing day 3. Okay. I'm just doing day 3. Let me see. Where was it? Where was I? Is this the pad? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Is symbol, is digit, spread. What is spread? What in the world? What is this? It's a 2-dimensional. This is a array that's 2 zeros, right? It's a 1-dimensional, but then you fix it to a length 1 for some reason. Join rows. What it... Okay, this is looking very similar to mine, right? Are there debug things in here still? Besides me? Wait. Why? Oh, okay. Why did I... So just putting one debug thing in there? Spread is... Okay, let's see what spread... Okay, so here's the lines. This is kind of what I did, but you just got the ones that were the actual values. And then you have this thing. Oh, I see. You're keeping track of both, right? You're keeping... Oh, I see. Okay, so you're keeping... But this one's longer? This is really weird. What is this? What is this spread thing? 467? What? I don't understand what this is. What is this spread thing? What does this do? What is this before we... Can I do this? Oh, can I join arrays? Right. So let's try... What is this value? Pipe? Why is there a pipe? Is this ore? What is this, logical ore? Where would it be? Not floor, ceiling, round? What is this pipe? Oh, it's right here. Signature. What is signature? Signature. Stack signatures. This is a new concept that I do not know about in uiua. I would have never solved it if you needed this. Bindings and inline functions can have a stack signature declared with a pipe followed by one or two numbers separated by a dot. The first number is the number of arguments the function pops from the stack. The second number is the number of values the function pushes to the stack. The second number is optional. What time is it? Oh my gosh, I only have 20 minutes before my meeting. The second number, if this is not good, it's going to be 1. In bindings, the pipe comes after the arrow. In inline function comes after the times 3. What is this? 1.1? I don't understand what this... Oh, it's function currying, right? It's this is like, is this OCaml? Have we just stumbled upon OCaml inside of uiua? Yeah, because this is like a weird thing, right? 1.1, and then you could just do one, like this is just a placeholder. And then you could like do, so this becomes a named function that you're gonna pass an argument to. Dude, come on now. What is spreading? Yeah, what is spreading? What are we spreading? This is day 3. What are we looking at? Dude, we're looking at uiua, the Ada Valen. We're looking at uiua. Adds padding to the target area? Yeah, maybe. This is the same, but I added 2 zeros at the age. That's me looking at uiua code. It puts one near all ones. Oh, that's what it does. This is Alien Bash. Prove me wrong. It is a little bit. Performance-wise, they're identical. Yeah, this is the ear of the camel. Seriously, what is this? Is this a shortcut for... Oh, yeah. It looks like function currying to me. I don't know. I don't know why it... Okay, so, all right, I'm still confused, but all right. Let me see, what else do we have here? Why can I not use my mouse? There we go. All right, let me see. Okay, so after you do this, what do we do here? Previous output truncated? There's too much output. Oh, man. Oh, that's not good. Is that I put my, where I put my question mark, I've ruined. Is this under? Apply a function under. Okay, so let me think about this. What if we do before, after the under, right? So 111, and then we've got the 1 still, right? But isn't there a 1 here? Right here? But you're padding 2 zeros? Why are you... Let me think about this. Yeah, I guess I really... And you do this multiple times too, right? Let me see. We'll look at the high level. Find adjacent. D-shape both. Oh, so okay, so find it is this is where the action happens, right? Is digit, is symbol, fork. So for each one of these, right? For this one-dimensional array, you just check if it's a symbol or if it's a digit, and then you repeat 100 times. I'm so confused by this. I am not following this at all. My uiua skills have peaked. I am not following this. This is going to take me a while to deconstruct. Oh my god. I don't even understand what's happening right now. Okay, so I honestly don't know why you do this. I honestly, I can't even imagine. What in the world? Oh, you did do a window 3x3. Oh, you did a 3x3 window. I didn't know you could do that. Of course, though, right? Oh, shoot. Oh, is that why you had to pad? Oh, that's what... You're trying to match the length, right? Now that you're looking at advanced WeWalk code? Yeah, seriously. I've had 2 zeros, so window 3 gives me nice windows. Yeah, you can't 2D window if you're array. Oh, that's what it is. You've had 2 zeros. Yeah. So it gives me, okay. Yeah, okay. Because my windows are looking kind of sad. My windows, it's not looking good. You know, this is not good WeWa right here. It's not looking good. Okay, let me think about this. Apply this function to this thing, right? What does this even do? Let's see what this does by itself, right? Can we do this just by itself, right? Okay, so this, we'll just do this, right? We'll just get rid of all this. Can I join an array and character array?
Oh, Peter. What's
shut your
happening?
mouth. Shut your mouth. Can I just do this? Comment? Oh, shoot. I just deleted them all. Okay. Stack was empty? What in the world? What was your stack value here on spread? Spread was identity of Okay, Andrew, why did you repeat 100 times? Is that necessary? Oh, is that just because that's how many are in the input? Get your puzzle input. Oh, is there 100? There's 100 lines in the input. This I'm still really lost on this. I don't even know how to get this to work. If I just come here and do this, can we just do that? But it's still, let me just. So these are the indices, and these are the padded zeros. Let's look at this first row. 0, 0. There should be two. There's one extra pair of zeros, basically. So for each, there's only one extra pair of zeros here. Maybe it's too early that I can't. I'm getting hung up on this, possibly. What happens after you do the under? Can we look at that? Nothing changes, right? Nothing's changed. What? Nothing has changed. Let's look at this, I guess, right? Before the repeat, maybe? Oh, here we go. So this... Okay, so this is... These are just the two things that I did, right? If it's a symbol or if it's a thing. But then you repeat 100 times. Paneer Walla, what's up? Welcome. Good WeWa oxymoron. Let's see. You can't try to pass 2D array of ones and zeros and spread func and see what happens. A 2D array of ones and zeros. Okay, let me see. A 2D array of ones and zeros. 0, 0, 0. Right? Or I guess I could do that. This would be the WeWa way, right? 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0. And maybe we'll do, this is 2 dimensions, right? Is that what this, okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like it took my input and it looks like it joined them together, but also added another 0 row, right? Like it seems like it had added a row of zeros that did not exist before, right? And also for some reason flipped it on its side, which I don't understand, right? So it pushed this 0 thing. Oh, that's why you did the fix, right? Because you can't do the, oh, okay. So you took this, right? Because just fix by itself, right? Just that by itself turns it into what do they call it? A length 1 array. And then here you did this, but it's hard to see without doing this. So you have to do 0, 1, 0, right? So you pushed 0 on top. That's what you did. I mean, that makes sense, I guess, right? Just copy spread in new pad. Oh, I guess I could, right? I could copy spread, right? Shoot, that's the old one. Let me see, hold on, where was I? Let's see, spread. Yeah, because we kind of want to see, okay, so that's what you're doing all this rotation. You rotated by 1, and then you did a 3x3 window, right? Let's look, let's see. We'll just copy this whole thing, right? And then we'll do it right here, right? Okay, so this gives you 1, 1, 1. Okay, so you're taking the maximum of 2 array. Oh, okay. Let me see. You've done this twice. So you did that, and then you did this. And then do you need this? Because for under. I think you need this for under, right? Shoot, I'm still so lost. I have never been so lost before. Oh my gosh, I got 12 minutes. 100, yes. Input is 140 by 140. 10 is more than enough. Holy link, Batman. I actually, you know what? I got inspired by uiua's state in the URL, and I looked up how much state you can have in a URL. What's the max size that Chrome allows in the URL? It's 2 megs. So you can have 2 megs of base 58 encoded data in the URL. And so that gave me an idea, like to escape Axum's router, right? So now I'm like, shoot, I'm just gonna have my state all stored in either the URL or the session. And when I it's like old web forms. It's ASP.NET web forms. But instead of putting the view state in the page, I just stick it in the URL. It's even uglier. It's even better. So I'm really excited about that. Let me see. So let's do a spread. You have zeros. Okay, so here you have some rows, right? And so what do you do here? Oh, okay. So you're trying to mark. You're like marking where the ones are, right? You're marking the adjacent where, oh, I see. You're marking all around the ones, right? That's what you're doing. You're saying all this stuff. Oh, and then you're using this as a mask. Shoot, that's genius. That is genius. Yeah, that's what it is, right? So you're using and then you're just gonna do a select, right? And then you can filter all the ones that aren't numbers, right? All this for 111. I know. State absolutely bloated. 500 pages of history. Yeah, exactly. 1 gig. I know. Like, I don't even want to see what I'm looking at here. Who cares about the state, you know? Like, who cares? But yeah, this is cool. Like, is it better to have the state in React, in a React shadow DOM thing? Or is it better to have it in, or the VDOM? Or is it better just have it in the URL? Because then if you have it in the URL and you refresh, like if I refresh this page, look at this. I haven't lost anything in this text area, right? Incredible. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so now I get it, right? So now I think we understand spread, which this is a lot of operations. in uiua to do this. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things happening. There's two transposes right next to each other. I actually wonder if I drop a transpose. Oh, look at that. Interesting. So this row of zeros, right? And these are all one. Okay. So then what if you don't re-rank by 2, right? Does it just, oh, look at that. Oh, because you have to combine them. Can you not join? Oh, you can't join. You can't join. What if you, what's the difference between re-rank 2 and reshape? What's reshape? Shape? Where's reshape? What does that stupid thing? Re-rank and reshape. Change the shape? Oh, this is change the rank of an array's rows. Oh, so that's how you bring it together, right? And then this is take the maximum of 2 arrays, right? So if you just took the maximum here, you couldn't. Can you join at the end? And was it the same? No, you can't. You can't do it. Join? Oh yeah, you can't do that either. So you re-rank. What if I re-rank 3? Interesting. What if I re-rank 1? Oh. Okay. So when I what if I just don't transpose? You do need those. Yeah, this is crazy. Okay. So we start by adding zeros, and then we sort of do this thing where for each apply a function. Window. What if I don't do this? What if we just do this? Okay, so here, what if we don't rotate? What is this? After the under. So we've got the, oh, I see. You have to pad out the zeros in order to add the ones. That makes sense. This does make sense, but it feels, yeah, it feels like a lot, right? Shadow Dom sounds edgy and cool. You can do it less. Oh shoot. All right, I gotta go in like 7 minutes. Let's find someone to raid. I thought I understood what transpose does, but never mind. I know. That's what I'm saying. You can use better stuff to do the same thing. Imagine spelling out a stateful link to your grandma who doesn't know how to copy paste. No, we're not doing, because you need more state, Rex Days. We need more state. Using 8 rotations. Oh, instead of transpose and all that stuff. Look, I really gotta study this uiua, okay? Because it's not gonna work out for me. All right. Like I gotta look at this. But who else is streaming Advent of Code? Oh, Finite's not doing Advent. Let's see, Advent. Oh, Algo is not either. No. We can do AOC a little. Is it? What is that? A little. Oh, Python, right? He raided me, so I'll raid. I don't even know who this is. But I'll raid. We'll raid Pythbuster, unless you guys have someone else that I don't know about. 2D rotate array 8 times in all directions. Speaking like a true. Yeah, right. They just destroying me. Raid Nightshade Dude. Are you streaming? Let's see. Is Nightshade Dude streaming? Am I not following you? Let's see. Oh, I'm not following. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go, Nightshade Dude. Let's see. How do I go to the actual? What is this? How do I go to the actual? Oh, you're not streaming? You definitely need to check rest part of solution. I know, but I only have 6 minutes. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Now that we sort of understand that little part, we can look at this. So we do the spread, and we mask off all the ones that are touching, basically, right? All the ones that that should be. So like in this particular one, it would be like 1 1 1, right? And then there would be like a 1 here, right? Actually, it'd be all ones. I think at this point, this would be all ones, right? I think so, and that's how I understood it, right? And so then you do the spread. You do the spread, and then you call 2 functions on 2 distinct sets of values. So given the okay, so this is the mask, right? And then you do the identity, which comes from this, right? So this one, this 100. So you repeated this 100 times. And then you had the spread. Wait. Who are we rating? I forgot. I'm watching Erlang Dead. What I do isn't what I call dev. And I stream it in TM Mora's Discord occasionally. Oh, really? There you go. Wait. Hold on. Let me see. What? Who is there an Erlang person? There's not even, right? Can I just do Erlang? How do I do this? I wonder if I can just search Advent. Advent of code. Yeah, that sucks. Right? Oh, here's mine. Okay, so it's not horrible. OCaml. What is this? I don't even know what language this is. Python. That's it, pretty much, right? There's a tag. I don't even have the tag. Kotlin, Python, Delphi. I don't know what this one is. Those are your options. I don't know what to tell you. But we'll just do PyThruster, I guess. Fine, Jason. Delphi, really? We'll do Delphi. Which one's Delphi? Oh, this one, right? Oh, I think it's Spanish though. Look, we can go international, you know? We can go international. Ah, freaking ads. We'll wait for the ads. Absolutely proprietary. Yeah. Find Jason repeats spread on care and ands with numbers multiple times. This gives you only ones in places where numbers near symbols. Okay. So you're trying to like filter down, which is kind of what I wanted to do, but like I would have never gotten this far, right? So then you take the repeat a function. Okay, so then you do the repeat, right? You do this 100 times and you flip and pop, and then you D-shape just to get your indexes, I think, right? And then you parse all the strings, right? Minimum identity. Yeah, I still don't get that. I have to look at this, you know? Okay, let's look at what is it Spanish?
Et donc il plantera la création
Oh,
et
shoot,
donc
it's
je serai à
French.
l'extérieur.
It's French. Delphi
Si
and
ça s'est
French.
bien passé, je vais découper ça.
Look, you guys
Troisième.
are in for a treat,
Hello,
all right?
Peter.
We're gonna
What's
raid this
happening?
person. Let me see. We'll do Delphi.
Donc,
At least I can apply for a job at WhatsApp. That's true.
en S. Point,
All right, Sir Chrono Blaze. Welcome.
on va dire qu'il y a qu'un seul
Oh, do you
espace.
really? I already rated. It's too late. Wait, who was doing it in Rust? Wait, cancel. Who was doing it in Rust? I see one person. Oh my gosh, I got 2 minutes.
Crochet,
One person doing it in Rust?
ici.
Link, Zihad, 2002. Link.
Point 40, pardon, links de tab.
You don't want to watch a French streamer. Everyone speaks French here, right? Whoa, look at that filter. Oh, it is Rust. Okay, cool. All right. We'll do a quick follow. How do where was I? Oh, here we go.
We're gonna say
All right.
jump here.
Oh, Nightshade. Oh my gosh, what the? Everyone speaks French except for me. I'm the only dumb American in here, you know? A French ancestor would be ashamed. I don't even have French ancestors. All right, we'll see it. Bye. Did I do it?